Hello all, today I would show you how I incorporate Odissi dance neck movements when I'm teaching neck exercises to my patients. So as a physical therapist, we just know that there are a few movements. There are four basic movements of neck, and those are the stretches we give our patients. Neck extension, neck flexion, side flexion, neck rotation. But this does not stretch all the neck muscles that we have. It doesn't give us a complete stretch, and we don't have access to all those muscles with doing these movements. And you still feel some tightness and you still have neck pain. So incorporating these Odissi dance neck movements, we will be able to get to those nitty-gritty neck muscles as well. So there are 9 neck movements in Odissi dance. The first one is sama, which is basically you're just sitting up straight. Your neck is just straight. The second one is udvahita, which is basically extension. Yep, that's what we know as physical therapists. Then is adhomukha, which is flexion. We know that. Alolita is an interesting one, which is a rotation that we teach that the dancers too on either side. I like to incorporate that with my patients because this way you get to those tiny muscles that you probably don't get a stretch when you just do the specific exercises. Then we have dhuta, which is basically just this. Yep, that is similar to what we do in physical therapy. Then we have kampita, which is going from extension to flexion. That's kampita. Then we have parabruta, which is basically a very interesting stretch, which is extreme rotation. So you tell your patients to look over their shoulder, like somebody's behind them, and you do one from both the sides. Somebody's behind them, and you feel the stretch on the opposite side of your shoulder, and the pecs and the traps and the scalenes. Then we have Utkipta, which is a very interesting stretch, which is that you tell the patient to look down and they're leaning more towards, let's say, towards the right side, and then they look up diagonally up towards the left side. And that is a very interesting stretch that they feel in their scalenes, traps, sternocleidomastoid, and all those muscles. Similar thing you'll do on the other side, head down, you're looking towards the left knee, and then you look up towards the right side, and you feel the stretch in the sternocleidomastoid, upper traps, scalenes, and all the cervical muscles. The last one is paribahita, which is basically just doing the side flexion exercise this way and this way. So those were the few of the neck movements that I teach my patients using Odissi dance neck movements. Thank you very much.